Hello students, so we have finished with all the topics. Okay, so let's solve exercise 4.4. I'll solve some of the questions. Okay, so question 1, second one, here your determinant is given to be A, C, B, D. You have to write the minus and the cofactors. So this is your element A11, A12, A21, A22, right? So minor M11 will be D, then minor M12, you have to strike out this row, this column, so B, minor M21, strike out this column, this row, so C, and M22, strike out this column, this row, so A. Okay, these are the minus. And cofactors A11, so you have to write here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Okay, so minus 1 raised to 2, so this is 1, and M11 is your D. Or you can write here your signs, plus, minus, minus, plus. So accordingly you put signs for your cofactors. Okay, this is for faster calculation. Okay, so 1, 2 you will get minus 1 into M12. M12 is B, so minus B. Then M21 is again minus, so M121, so this is minus C, and this is 1, M22, so it is A. So these are the minus and these are the cofactors. Okay, let's solve second question, second one. Okay, determinant given is 1, 3, 0, 0, 5, 1, 4, minus 1, 2. Okay, so let's calculate minus. So M11, striking out this column, this row, so 5 2s are 10, minus into minus plus 1, so this is 11. Then M12, 3 2s are 6 and 0. M13, 3. M21, 0, minus 4, so minus 4. Okay. M22, 2. Then M23, 1. M31, so 0, minus 20. M32, minus 1, minus 12, minus 13. And M33, 1 into 5. Okay, so similarly you write down the cofactor matrix. I'll directly write the cofactor matrix, okay, with signs. Right here, cofactor matrix. So first you put signs, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Okay, now M11, so here 11, 1 2 6, 3, minus into minus 4, 2, 1, minus 20, minus 13, and 5. So this will be plus 13, this is minus 20, this is plus 4. Okay, So this is your cofactor matrix. Okay. Let's solve question 3. Okay, you have to, using cofactors of elements of second row, you have to evaluate. Okay. 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So this second row you have to evaluate determinant. Okay, so first you find out the cofactors of the second row. So cofactor will be 8, 2, 1 minus, because minus 1 raised to 3, right? So minus, then 3 3s are 9, minor you have to find, 2 8s are 16. Next, so this is minus 7, this comes to 7. Then 8 2 2, this is plus, 5 3s are 15, 8, so this comes 7. Then 8 2 3, this element, so this will be 10, and this is minus, right? 5 2s are 10, minus 3, so this is minus 7. Okay, now you have to find the determinant. So determinant, how you get? So this becomes, if you are considering this row, that is you are calculating determinant using this row, then this elements get multiplied to the cofactors, right? So A21 into A21 plus A22 into A22 plus A23 into A23. Okay, putting values, you will get 2 into 7 plus 0 into 7 plus 1 into minus 7. So 14 minus 7, so it is 7. Okay. Let's do the fourth question. Using cofactors of elements of third column, you have to evaluate 1 1 1 x y z y z zx xy. Okay, so using third column, so this column you have to use. So first you find out the cofactors along this column. So this element is A13, A23 and A33, right? So A13 cofactor is Z plus, okay, 1 plus 3 is 4, so plus Z minus Y. Then A23, this becomes 5, right? So you will get negative sign. So Z minus X. And A33, this is again positive. I'll write here positive. Okay. Y minus X. Okay. So now you have to find the determinant. So A13 into A13 plus A23 into A23 plus A33 to A33. So A13 is YZ into Z minus Y plus ZX into, this will be x minus z, then xy, y minus x. So multiplying inside, you will get yz square minus y square z. Then zx square minus, right here, zx square minus xz square, then plus xy square minus x square y. Okay, so nothing, we are getting any common element or something. Okay, so this is the last answer. Okay.